Welcome back to the channel. If you made energy-saving upgrades to your home last year, like installing solar panels, energy-efficient windows, or a new HVAC system, you could qualify for valuable tax credits. In this full 2025 TurboTax guide, I'll walk you step by step through entering your home energy tax credits so you can maximize your refund. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss any important tips that could save you money. First, head to the official TurboTax website and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, it only takes a minute to create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your TurboTax homepage. Look for the section labeled 2024 Taxes. And remember, even though we're filing in 2025, you're reporting last year's taxes. Click to open that year's return. Inside your 2024 tax return, click the Federal tab. This is the main area where you'll enter all federal tax information, including any credits for home energy improvements. Next, locate Deductions and Credits. This is the heart of your tax-saving options, where you can reduce your taxable income with everything from education expenses to, in this case, energy upgrades. Under Deductions and Credits, scroll until you see a category called Your Home. This is where TurboTax collects all information about home ownership and improvements. Select Your Home to continue. Claim Your Home. Energy Credits. Now, click on Home Energy Credits. Here you'll input the details of your energy-efficient upgrades. Be ready to enter. Type of improvement, like solar panels, windows, or insulation. A total cost of materials and installation, date of installation. Make sure you have receipts and proof of purchase handy. TurboTax might ask for these if the IRS requires verification. And that's it. Once you've entered your details, TurboTax will automatically calculate your home energy tax credit and apply it to your refund or tax balance. Taking a few extra minutes here could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, share it with a friend who made energy upgrades, and subscribe for more tax-saving tips and 2025 filing guides. Your money deserves every credit it can get. Don't leave it on the table.